Good day, everybody. It's Rod from Cool Guy Barbecue, and today we're going to do a first-time recipe on smoked sloppy joes. So I've got the grill going this morning. I've got my temp up at about 480 degrees. I've got a cast iron pan that I've been warming on the grill, and that's going to serve as our base pan to make these grilled sloppy joes. And the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to go out and we're going to brown up some shallots. So let's go out to the grill. Okay, so I got my grill. I was running at 485 degrees F, and I'm going to open up and just show you. So I've got my cast iron skillet on here, so I'm going to throw a little olive oil in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some shallots in. You can hear that the grill's hot enough where they sizzle. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brown these up for about a minute. So stay tuned. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my grill temp down to about 225, because what I want to do is I want to smoke this hamburger. And I'm going to do is I'm going to add the hamburger in with the shallots here. You can kind of see how the shallots are browning up nicely. So now I'm going to just drop this in. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a slow burn. So I've got the grill going and I've got the hamburger out there, and there's 2 pounds of hamburger in the cast iron skillet, and I'm bringing the temp down. I'm just going to let that probably stay out on the grill for about 45 minutes so I can get some good smoke flavor built into it. And if you recall, I also have the shallots in there. Then we're going to come back and we're going to add our first round of base ingredients, which is yellow peppers, red peppers, minced garlic, kosher salt, and some black pepper. So stay tuned and we'll be out there in a little bit. Okay, so I've been cooking the hamburger for the smoked sloppy joes, and you can kind of see it. I've been doing it for about 45 minutes, and I've been just letting it go at 225. And then I'm just going to check my temp here for you. And I want it to be at 160, and I'm right there. I'm at 165. So that hamburger is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain off the grease quick, and then I'm going to come back in and add in some other ingredients and take my grill temp up. Okay, so I drained the grease, and then I came back in and I added in the yellow peppers, the red peppers, the salt, the pepper, and the minced garlic. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this up until the peppers get soft. And I've also raised the grill temp up to about 400 degrees. And once the peppers are soft, I'm going to come back in and add the sauce to it. Okay, now we're going to mix up the sauce that's going to go into the sloppy joes, the smoked sloppy joes. And it's pretty simple. So what we have is we have ketchup. I'm going to dump that in here. I've got dark brown sugar. Throw that in. I've got a little bit of mustard. Throw that in. And then the final ingredient is a quarter cup of Mississippi Mud beer. That's a dark Pilsner. So we're going to mix this up. And then in a little bit we're going to take it out and we're going to drop it into the hamburger after the peppers get soft. Okay, so I've got my sauce and I'm going to add it in. I got the peppers are all soft. So we're going to add in the sauce. And what we're going to do then is we're going to mix it up a little bit. And let it cook and simmer, and we're getting close to that famous Rod Teets moment of truth. So what I'm going to do, I've got it all mixed up here. I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes and then we'll give it the Rod Teets moment of truth. Okay, so I just took the sloppy joes off the grill and they just look awesome. And I got them up to a temp of 160. So I got myself a bun, and now we're going to have the Rod Teets moment of truth. So I'm going to throw a little bit of sloppy joe mix on there. I like a little bit of cheese on mine. So we're going to put this together. It looks pretty awesome. Okay, here we go. Got a very kind of a sweet flavor to it. Very smooth. Melts in your mouth. Melts in your mouth. I mean, these are awesome. A little bit of smoke taste, not real strong, but there's a smoke taste, but definitely something I would do again. If you want the recipe, all you have to do is go to Cool Guy Barbecue on YouTube, and it'll be under the description link, Cool Guy Barbecue on YouTube, or you can always email me at rodteets@gmail.com. And once again, this is smoked sloppy joes on the pellet grill.